Margo with Great Lakes Scuttlebutt. I'm here with Cherie with Emerald City Harbor and Sunset Harbor at the Detroit Boat Show. And I'm going to have her tell you a little bit more about Emerald City Harbor and what it is they have to offer.
Absolutely, Margo. Thank you for being here.
Thanks.
Emerald City Harbor is located on the Nautical Mile at 9 Mile and Jefferson. It is a wonderful marina. They offer, oh gosh, a ton of different things. Indoor and outdoor storage, indoor heated storage for in the middle of winter, like right now. Sunset Harbor also offers that. We have boat wells to accommodate up to, I believe, 55-foot boats. And it's a very family-focused marina. Since it's located on the Nautical Mile at 9 and Jefferson, there are multiple restaurants you can visit. One which is Brownie's right attached to Emerald City Harbor.
Tell me what's new, what's going to be upcoming for the springtime?
Some really exciting things are coming up in the springtime. Emerald City Harbor has just partnered with Lakeside Formula, and they will be selling Formula powerboats through Emerald City Harbor. So please come out and take a look at the boats. If you're not in the market for a new boat, they have plenty of used boats as well. Please look up salesman Mike Raguso and David Reitzel. They would be more than happy to help people looking for anything from a 22-foot boat on up to 50-foot.
So something for everybody, right?
There is something for everybody, absolutely.
Wonderful. Well, if they can't make it down to the Detroit Boat Show to check you out, and Emerald City and Sunset, online, phone number, how do we get a hold of you?
Online, you can look up, I believe it's emeraldcityharbor.com, and the telephone number is 586-772-4200.
All right, well, come down and see him at the boat show.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the show.
Thanks, you too.